Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unclickable links in your YouTube descriptions. Now this is only for long form content, because on short form content from around, I think it was 2023, YouTube stopped having clickable links in short videos. Now what you can have in a short video is a clickable link that will link to another long form video, or I also believe your channel. So if you want a clickable link in a YouTube short video, you need to have that link going to a long form video or another short. Let's get over onto the computer now and see how you can fix unclickable links in your YouTube description. Okay, so here we are over on my YouTube channel, and let's say that I wanted to add a link to this video here. So I'm going to go into the description, and then what I'm going to do is I wanted to add a link to my free PDF guide to help you plan and create your thumbnail library. So over on this page here, this is my landing page that I created for people to be able to download the document from me. And here you can see is the link to the landing page. So if I go to copy that and I go back to YouTube, and underneath the section where I want it, I'm going to paste it in. And then I'm going to click save. Okay, and now if we want to test if it works, we go to view your video on YouTube, and we'll pause that. And if we go down to the description and we try and click on my link, oh dear, we can't do it. It doesn't work. It's not clickable. I'll show you how to fix it. If we go back to the description of the video, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in https:// and then we're going to click save. Just come back out of that. And now if we refresh the video here, just pause it again, and then now we come down and look, there's a clickable link. If I click on it, it takes us straight to the page. So the secret is adding that https:// to the link, and that will make your links clickable. And that applies to social media, Facebook, all sorts of different stuff. So if you're ever struggling, just do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.